Welcome to JRMSweeps. I have a 2017 Harley Davidson Street 750. We are going to replace the stock exhaust here with a Vance and Hines competition exhaust. The first thing I want to do is remove this catalytic converter cover here. I'm going to loosen this clamp here. It takes a 9/16. There is some mounting hardware on the back side here that we'll need to remove. You'll need a 1/2-inch wrench. This is the Vance and Hines competition exhaust we're going to put on the bike. It comes with a new mounting clamp as well. On the back side of the exhaust, you will need to reuse your old mounting hardware, and you just simply slide that in here and there. Now we're ready to mount this on the bike. Before I tighten this clamp down here, I'm actually going to button up everything on the back side, get this mounting hardware the way that I want it. When you go to install the cat shield, you want to have your clamps all the way back here like this. We're going to install it upside down. It's here upside down. And you just take this, rotate it around, attach the clamps. Let's fire it up.